If you've got a BMW F20 or F21, we have developed a flush fit wiper delete kit, and today I'm going to show you how to fit it. First step, you need to remove the wiper arm. You need a 10mm socket if you've not lost it. Pop this plastic trim off, just remove 10mm knot. Yeah. Okay, pop the tailgate. 2 pins, one on either side, which hold on your parcel shelf. It's a Torx T20 bit. Just want to remove all of the trim in the hatch. Do that first. You then want to take a Phillips screwdriver. You want to remove these 2 screws at the bottom of the tailgate. You've also got 2 Torx bits in the center of the hatch. You want to remove both of those. So I'm going to shout out everyone who's placed an order on these kits. I developed it, put it on TikTok. I got 1.4 million hits. The website just started ringing up and I just couldn't keep up. So I've actually had to limit the stock. Can't cut them as fast as you guys are ordering them. Get them while stocks last. So obviously this kit isn't in the glass. This kit needs to be painted. It comes in a raw ABS plastic. You're going to need to scotch it, prime it, paint it and clear coat it. All right, we're nearly there. I've just got to take this last piece off. Bear with me. Worth watching this video because this is a hard kit to fit. There we go. Keep your trim to one side, somewhere nice and safe. We've literally just got to remove the wiper motor. After that, we're going to fit the kit. It's got 3 stages at the back of this. It's got a piece of glass and it's got 2 pieces of metal. There's a specific way to fit the kit, so keep watching. I'm going to show you how to do it. 10mm socket, there's 3 nuts. Pull your wiper motor out, disconnect it, and now you should be able to see there's not much of a gap to fit your kit. Remove the rubber bung. So you've got your kit, you've got the actual delete. As I said, this is in raw ABS plastic, needs painting. Sealant to actually seal the kit to the back of the hatch, and you've also got 3 cable ties. To get this kit to fit inside this hole, we're going to have to remove 3 bolts. Push the badge up, it's going to open a cavity and we can drop the kit down to this section here, and then we're going to push it in from the back and bond the kit to the back of the hatch. But I'm going to also show you a trick on the best way to do this. Is that the kit there on the floor? Yeah, is it there? Yeah, we stuck it to it. So Travis Autos has put this entire whole booth on for that one tiny wiper delete. Have a look. Let's go and see him. Hey up, pal. So what's that cost? That's cost £9.39 to paint that one kit.
No primer, no lacquer, no price of a cup and another cup.
Oh, 28 quid then. I'll get you a Nando's. Loves it, Trav, doesn't it?
No.
It's 25mm, it's 25mm. Just try 25.
25. All that for 25mm.
Just buy film.
That's how we roll, man.
20. It's probably cheaper to paint the white brown body coloured.
I know.
You wouldn't do it if you didn't care. If you didn't love me.
I don't care.
I just care.
I don't care. I don't care.
You put the entire booth on for that one thing. Legend. Right, what are you having, tea or coffee?
Yeah.
No, good point. Could have rattle canned it, but not about that life. You know what I mean? Big job that.
For the viewer, it wasn't sped up.
There you go, bro. How can the sausage be upside down, you cat? Right, basically you're going to take your sealant, stick it on your finger. You're going to finger it in. Bit of a nightmare this. Best way to get the sealant onto the back of the hatch is put it on your finger. Can be a bit messy, so use a glove and run a bead around the edge. You want to make sure that it's fully square. You might have to get a friend to help you out. It is a little bit tricky, to be honest, but once it's actually set, it looks absolutely mega. Loves getting involved in it. This is my new apprentice, painter and filler. I like that. around. So once the kit is 100% central, you want to get a piece of cardboard, roll it up, put some tape around it, just make sure it's thick enough to hold the kit in place. Just push it in place and leave it to set. Once it's set, pull the hatch down and just fill in this edge just to make sure it's fully watertight, wipe it down, jobs are good in. Okay, so we had a German doner kebab last night and we just couldn't be bothered finishing the install. So back today, obviously the kit is set. We're gonna remove this little device we've come up with. I'm gonna put the trim back on. I'm ready to go. Job's a fish. Right, you know what we do need to do? Skip to step. So you're gonna take the bag that your kit came in. We're gonna put it around the electrical supply for the wiper motors, just to stop water, sort of condensation ingressing into the plug. I'm gonna cable tie that round, and then we're gonna cable tie it out of the way as well. Just don't want it rattling around. And then we're gonna put all the trim back on to the tailgate, and we're done. So guys, the job is complete. It looks so much cleaner than having a big dopey back wiper. I think the lines on the 140i, the car is absolutely stunning. I think it really complements the car. I just want to say thank you to everyone who purchased this kit so far. It's absolutely blown my mind. It's probably one of the best selling kits we've got online at the moment. This is a removable kit, so if you want to remove this at a later date, just keep hold of all of your wiper motor and your wiper arms, pop that in a box somewhere, and you can remove this at a later date. Also, another point, don't poke the kit. Once it's bonded in like that, just let it set, let the sealant do its job. Don't be messing around with it. Is it set yet? And then poking it back in. Just leave the kit to set and do its job. Nice one, guys. If you want to subscribe to the channel, click the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.